So hello everyone, welcome to the Alferdize, and um, today we are going to see about the four functions in the classes, which are set attribute, get attribute, has attribute, and delete attribute. So get attribute. Oh, sorry for that typo. Next is set attribute, again typo, and delete attribute. I have a very large typing mistakes, so sorry for that. Apology. And these are the four functions which are going to see. First of all, let's get started with the get attribute. So let's just use print, and we are going to get a let's just p2 comma name and just get there. So this will give us the name of our attribute in this function, and also the we can assign a function or a, we can say that variable or properties or methods. This is applicable for both. If we pass it here display and just run it, then this will give us the full description of this function: bound, method, display, main, object, and the object at where it is located, and etc. So this is it for this function. The next function we are going to see is just has attribute. So print has attribute p2 comma name, and it's just going to check whether the given function is there or not, and same applicable for it is true. If we give it a function which is not there in the function, then it returns false since the function is not there or any attribute is not there with this name. Next is the set attribute. So this function sets a value p2 just sorry for that, p2 comma address comma New York. Just remember the name, and this comes in my mind. If you think what this function returns, is just returns nothing, it returns none. Since I just need to show you. So this returns as the returns the value of, we can say that it is a returns and delete attribute is just delete the. So first of all, let's just check whether this function is created or not. So let's just print nothing, just print as attribute p2 and just give it as a array. Just it returns true. And the next things which I'm going to check for is whether it's what it returns for get attribute. It returns New York, which I have passed. Next one, which is and this return. I just need to return. This returns Next, let's do it as let's delete attribute. So we are going to delete a particular attribute from p2 comma, that's id, and just check this out whether this is present or not. After this, what these do from this PID. And typically a very lazy person, since I'm a programmer and programmers are very lazy. So much copy paste, and you can see this is printing as the error. There is no attribute PID since we have deleted this attribute before that. So that's it. So as you know that this function returns the returns or false whether this thing is present or not according to that. So that's it for this video, and for this video I'm going to cover static and class method in the classes. So that's why amazing. So if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, then and please subscribe to the channel. I keep on making the videos on Python programming language and computer tricks or another technical videos or learning videos. And if you have any friend who also like this type of video, then please share this channel for that. Thank you.